So how do you make your video stand out from the rest, right from that initial thumbnail? And that's when you use a partner like TeraLeap. Mark Currier, Custom Learning Designs. We drive sales performance through training for life sciences companies. One of the challenges we've been facing as a company that targets the life sciences industry is getting in front of our clients. There's definitely a gap in being able to reach out to our clients and engage with them on a level that is meaningful. One of the greatest things we can do is have our clients speak on our behalf. Sometimes written testimonials seem too good to be true. With video, you don't have that problem. You're actually hearing from a real person, a real client in their own words. I found TeraLeap on LinkedIn. Actually, I saw a video that Alex did on social media, and I was actually impressed by the setup he had in the background too, and the energy that he brought to it. And it was solving a problem that I had. I had been thinking about video testimonials, and I did not want to do the typical thing of recording it on Zoom. We find a client who is open to doing a testimonial using a lot of the tools and templates that TeraLeap provides. And once we have that initial meeting, while I am still involved, TeraLeap is taking the lead. I didn't even realize it's just the amount of quality control that goes into setting up the testimonial, from the scheduling to sending out the kits to reminders, lighting, the microphones. Every little detail is already taken care of. The results so far have been outstanding. First, just the ability to get the testimonials has been a game changer. We've just started incorporating the testimonials into our nurture campaigns, and I can safely say that those emails that contain a testimonial have 500% greater click-through rate than those that don't. I would absolutely recommend TeraLeap. Just a few short months ago, I didn't think that testimonials, getting testimonials on video was going to be possible. The investment, compared to the results is so well worth it.